Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to update Google Chrome on your Mac to make sure you're always running the latest features and security updates. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, it really helps me out. Thanks. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your Mac. If an update is available, you might see a colored icon, green, orange, or red, next to the three dots in the top right corner. But even if you don't see anything, here's how to check manually. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Hover over Help, then click About Google Chrome. This will open a new tab where Chrome will automatically check for updates. If you're already up to date, you'll see a message like, Chrome is up to date, version 138.0. If an update is available, Chrome will start downloading it automatically. Once it's done, you'll see a relaunch button. Click it to restart Chrome and complete the update. And that's it. You're now running the latest version of Google Chrome on your Mac. If this helped, be sure to like the video and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'm always happy to help.